Dear students, welcome back to Abhijit Sana Maths. In this video, we have to discuss how to solve and how to memorize the steps of solution for arithmetic progression with an example. Now, here, when we solve the problem with arithmetic expression, write down the first step, that is write down the sequence. Now, second step, now assign the values of terms, that is t1, t2, t3, etc. Now after assigning, third step is find the common difference, which is denoted by d. Now the formula for common difference is that is d equals to t2 minus t1, next t3 minus t2, and d equals to t4 minus t3. Means this d is nothing but the common difference, which is the difference between the consecutive terms. Now here, after finding the value of common difference, that is d, check whether this d means common difference is constant or not constant. If we found the common difference is constant, that is if we found d is constant, then the given sequence is AP, means arithmetic progression. Here the constant means if the value of d is not changing, the given sequence is arithmetic progression. Else, if d is not constant, means if the value of d is changing or varying, then the sequence is not AP, means arithmetic progression. Now this is the step to solve. Now we are taking example problem. Now here we are taking the question, that is question number 1 for an example, that is 5, 12, 19, 26. It is the sequence. Now here, write down the sequence. First step is write down the sequence. In the solution part, write down the sequence. The given sequence is the given sequence is 5, 12, 19, 26. Now second step is assign the values of terms, that is t1, t2 and t3. Now here we have to assigning the values of t terms, that is here first term, that is t1 equals to 5, t2 equals to 12, t3 equals to 19, third term, and this is t4 equals to 26, this is fourth term. Now the third step is find the common difference d, that is d equals to t2 minus t1, d equals to t3 minus t2, and d equals to t4 minus t3. Now we have to find the value of d, that is common difference. Therefore write down here common difference. D equals to t2 minus t1 equals to the value of t2 is here 12 minus t1, the value of t1 is 5, 12 minus 5, that is 7. Here we get d equals to 7. Similarly, d equals to t3 minus t2, therefore write down here d equals to t3 minus t2. The value of t3 is 19 here, put 19 here, minus the value of t2 is 12, write down here 12, 19 minus 12, that is 7. We get the value of d equals to 7. D equals to t4 minus t3. The value of t4 is 26, minus the value of T3, that is 19, means 26 minus 19, that is also 7. The next step is check whether the common difference, that is D, is constant or not constant. Here we get the value of D. Here first D equals to 7, here also D equals to 7, and here also D equals to 7. In all cases, the value of D, that is common difference, is 7, which is constant, which is constant. Therefore write down here common difference, common difference, that is D equals to 7, is constant. Now when we found if D is constant, then the given sequence is AP, means here the common difference D is constant, therefore the given sequence, is, that is 5, 12, 19, 26 is AP, means arithmetic progression is AP, that is arithmetic progression. And if here we found the value of D, that is constant, therefore it is arithmetic progression. Now here we are taking another example for memorizing the steps of solution of arithmetic progression. Here the first step is write down the sequence. Here the given sequence is like this, therefore in the solution part write down here the given sequence. The given sequence is, that is 1 1 2 2, and this is 3 comma 3. Now this is the given sequence, we have written down the given sequence. Now the second step is assign the values of terms, that is T1, T2 and T3. So here assign the values of terms, that is here T1, that is T1 equals to term 1, that is 1, and here the term second, that is T2 equals to also 1, and here T3 equals to, this is a 2, and here T4 equals to the fourth term, here T5 equals to, this is a fifth term, that is a 3, and here sixth term, that is T6 is also 3. Means how many terms are here, write down here. Now the third step is find the common difference D. Therefore here D equals to T2 minus T1. The value of T2 is 1, minus the value of T1 is 1, that is 1 minus 1 equals to 0. The value of D here we get is 0. Now second, D equals to T3 minus T2 equals to, the value of T3 is 2 here, 2 minus the value of T2 is 1, here 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here we get the value of D equals to 1. Then value of D, that is D equals to, now T3 minus T2, now the D equals to T4 minus T3. Here the value of T4 is here, T4 equals to 1 2 3 4, T4 equals to 2, value of T4 is a 2 minus the value of T3 is a 2, but 2 minus 2 is a 0, therefore we get D equals to 0. Now here on observing we get that the value of D comes here 0, here comes 1, then here also comes 0. Means the value of D is changing, is changing, means it is not remaining constant. Therefore here check whether the common difference is constant or not. Here we found that the common difference, that is D, is changing. Here comes 1 0, here comes 0, here comes 1, here comes 0, means it is D is not constant. Therefore here D is not constant, D is changing, means common difference is not constant, Therefore, the given sequence here in the steps, else if the d is not constant, then the sequence is not AP. Here we get the value that is d is not constant, therefore the given sequence, this given sequence, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 is not AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Similarly, this we can solve alt this type of problems by using this algorithm. Write down the sequence, assign the values, find the common difference, then check the whether the common difference is constant or not. If we found the difference constant, then it is arithmetic progression, else it is not constant, then it is not arithmetic progression. Then do like, share and subscribe this video, and the next video will be coming soon and link will be given in the description box. Thanks for subscribing.